Alright, Corvette fans, here you go. If you've been looking for one of these, you know what it is. Not a lot of these out there. 226 were made. 2009 Z06. And when I say 226 of them, that's including the ZR1s in 09 also. Due to the fact that this car is atomic orange. Rare color. A lot of good things going for this car. First of all, 3LZ package. So nicely equipped. 2-owner car, adult owned and driven, miles confirmed. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 44,000 miles, I believe, is on it. And well taken care of. Just take a look at this nose cone. There is a little bit of kind of curb rash or scuff, I guess, if you will, on that very, very lower portion. But when you look at any area where the paint is, it is not full of nicks, chips, scratches, anything like that. I did notice 2 little spots, and I don't even know if I can get them to show up. But there is also some touch-up paint that is going with this car where they've just been real small dabs, touched up. Now, of course, I can't get the video or pictures to do this car justice. There you go. There's the true atomic orange. When I get up on top of it, it's going to wash it out. There's the true look and color of this car. That 505 horse, 7-liter, 427 LS7 underneath the hood, paired up with the 6-speed manual transmission. Wow. Now remember, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. If you're interested in one of these, you're looking for an atomic orange Z06, give us a call. Don't expect this one to last long. As you can see, the huge brakes up front, drilled rotors, chrome wheels. Same in the back, drilled rotors, obviously chromed wheels. This particular interior would be the ebony and light linen leather interior. Of course, this car has electronic dual climate control, heads-up display. You have your navigation system, CD player. Very nicely equipped, again, that 3LZ package. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, the side windows are tinted. You can see that in the still pictures. It's a Colorado car. I left this on due to the fact that's where the delivering dealer was. Sure, it is 2-sided tape and would come off if you wanted to take it off. I left it on. I don't mind it on there. Let the next owner of this car decide what they'd like to do with it, but that's where the car came from. And again, this car has stayed in Colorado its entire life before coming to us. And those still pictures, look at the underside of this car, and I'm going to open the hood up and show you the hood liner too. This thing is clean. Check out the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And what a beautiful color. They didn't make this color a lot of years. And again, rare in a Z06 or ZR1, only 226 of them made. That's 4.6% of all Corvettes built. Not going to pass yourself going down the highway in this one, or any of your local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins, Corvette shows. All right, let's go look at the interior of this car. Hopefully I got the key fob in my pocket so I can get in. All right. Bose stereo system, of course, power windows, power locks, memory seating, power mirrors. Let's take a look at the condition of the seats. Look at this. There's hardly a wrinkle where that leather has folded. Same over here in the bolster. The linen color leather is not discolored. Where are you going to find one this clean? Alright. Let's get this fired up a second. Now, mention navigation. So you do have your screen, dual climate control, heated seats. Take a look at the dash. Not discolored. sun-baked, anything like that. Obviously this car was stored inside. Heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. It is in working order. There's your exact miles. I think I said 44,000. Sorry, 45,352. Of course, driver's information center on this side. Literally a race car, folks. All right. Best thing about this, that clean Carfax, and I don't see any modifications on it. Nice, subtle rumble. Something else I want to show you, it's kind of cool in this car. And I would have done the same thing, I guess, if I bought it new. Imagine getting to be the one that went to the Corvette Museum and picked it up at Bowling Green for the Corvette Museum delivery. Sticker still on there. How fun would have that been? Best part is you have the opportunity to own.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at this headliner. That's reminiscent of the underside of this car too. I mean, it is just clean. You can tell this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. Again, it came out of Colorado. Look at this engine bay. That's 7-liter LS7, 427, 505 horse. Look at that. You think I sound excited about this car? I am. It's a beauty, no doubt about that. Love to have it in my own garage. There you are. 2009 Z06 in atomic orange, 45,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. One of 226 Z06 and ZR1s produced in this color. 3LZ package. Wow, give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.